The battles, DINA and Clarkson. You will be performing a song that I personally really love. This song is called Beneath Your Beautiful.
Great choice.
La personne avec qui je chante, c'est un bon chanteur. Il a une voix très puissante et il maîtrise bien ses techniques.
Hey Clarkson. What's up, DINA?
Hi.
Wagwan.
Beneath you're beautiful. You want to see how beautiful you are beneath. Feel good, yeah.
Okay, hold on. If you keep the first line in the original notes,
Okay.
maybe you try and modify the second one to accommodate your voice.
Would you let me see beneath your perfect?
She has this fear in her, and everyone has fear. We're all human, I know. Even I myself, I have fear.
Control your nerves. Sing it. Stop going. Would you let me? You're over that. Take it up right now. Take it up right now.
Donc notre coach, Yemi, elle est vraiment géniale parce que c'est comme si elle nous connaissait depuis longtemps. Elle a vraiment les bons mots, les bons conseils pour chacun de nous.
I am still struggling with the fact that Clarkson likes to close his eyes. Oh, I don't know. He needs to see road. Like literally, you're saying, I want to see beneath your beautiful, but his eyes are closed, so we get problem for there. And DINA's nerves are getting to her. She's forgetting her lyrics. She's not fighting as hard. But you know, these things come with pre-show. They will be fine because I chose right. I'm a correct coach now. I know they do anyhow. Anyways, now go see. Tell the coaches that they should watch out. So Palava don't they come.
You tell all the boys no, makes you feel good, yeah.
I know you out of my league, but that won't scare me away. Oh no, you've carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it.
You built your wall so high that no one could climb it. So I'm gonna try. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight? Oh, I'm gonna climb on top of your ivory tower. I'll hold your hand and we'll jump right out. We'll be falling, but that's okay. See, I'll be right here. I just wanna know, would you let me see beneath your beautiful?
Would you let me see beneath your perfect?
Take it off now, girl. Take it off now, girl.
I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight?
Awesome. So, Coach Yemi, you'll be the one selecting who the winner of this battle is. But first, what did you think of that performance?
I think I felt something in my heart. I felt a tingle. It was too perfect. Like you guys did outstandingly well. You guys, you made love to the song literally, like with your words, just your words. And then I just fell in love with you guys again. I couldn't have done a better job pairing you both together. You fought so hard. Thank you, DINA.
Well,
Thank
the hour
you.
has come. Who will you be choosing to be going onto the knockout stage, and who will be going home?
Tonight, I will be saving CLARKMcCOLL.
Woo! Congratulations, Clark. You are through to the knockout, so you can make your way off the stage.
Congratulations.
I'm sorry, my dear. You did not make it through to the knockout, but hold on, because a coach could steal you and give you the chance to be back on the show. So good luck. You can make your way off. Coaches, do the needful.
Anybody stealing?
No.